my Lord's permission, but may I mention, because this is an IA in a original from the union. I'm for the state of Punjab, my lords. And my lords, there is some urgency in the matter. We had moved the email 2 days back. The registry indicated that in due course the main suit will come. My lord, that's all right. We are requesting only the IA may be listed if next week, if possible, my lords.
End of September.
That will, my lords, because there is some urgent need for funds, my lords. So if in August, if it's possible, my lords, we'll be extremely grateful. I'm so grateful.
One request, my lord, which I may not be able to make in a mail. The matter is listed at item 5 today, not likely to be taken up.
Tola will.
Because of that, my lord, this pertains to child marriage. There are different views taken by different high courts and views whether child marriage is permitted or not. In one religion, another religion, we are arguing on constitutional principles. Lord, if that can be listed on, Lord, priority on any Wednesday or Thursday. All matters, my lord, consensus.
But we will.
No, not today.
Yeah.
Next Wednesday, Thursday, or any immediate Wednesday, Thursday, my lord. Because new judgments are coming and we are multiplying SLPs.
We'll ultimately settle the matter one.
That's all.
With my lord's kindly
Grateful.
minutes.
My lords, I'm mentioning in item number 6. My lords, I'm mentioning in item number 16. My lords.
Ma'am, 1 second. 1 second.
Item 2, 13, 17 and 18 are West Bengal matters, lords, where not likely to be taken up today, lords. So some date may be indicated, but we have filed 8 compilations. That part is complete. LOD has also been filed.
With my lord's kind leave minutes. Uttar Pradesh.
There is only one problem that fresh petitions are being filed regularly, lords. So whether we can include that or we just leave it at that.
Lordships, the West Bengal matter which my learned friend is mentioning.
West Bengal matters, we will re-notify them on a particular day.
Your
So
Lordships,
that then we can conclude them in about a day or day and a half.
we'll need 2 days for that, Your Lordships, because it's
Once it's
Wednesday and
the
Thursday.
matter.
Yes.
The request is, Lord, if possible, Lord, just may accommodate me next week, Lord. Thereafter.
And next week, we also have other matters which are listed, so we'll keep it a little beyond.
With my lord's
May
kind.
I- Your Lordships, may I suggest
One
after
second.
the
First
15th?
West Bengal, then other matters, so that the West Bengal lawyers can all.
Lordship, item 2. Whatever the.
Crowd will disappear.
We'll keep it first on board on that day. So that then we'll start.
May I suggest
Keep
Your
them,
Lordships
keep them,
need
keep
2
them.
days?
Would Lordship kindly,
It's a fresh notice to be issued.
there are,
West Bengal.
yes,
Now, if we start issuing notices on all matters, you're all here.
yes.
Wherever there are notices, replies have been filed, we'll hear. Others, council may supplement and we'll.
Lordship may just tag this matter.
As long as the matters are listed,
All
Lordship,
other
we don't have an
things
issue.
complete tag. You're all here. Make sure that copies are served on the respondents, that's all.
Lordships were listed on 21st and 22nd because after the Independence Day vacation, Your Lordships will have Wednesday and Thursday as a block, Your Lordships, because this matter will take that much time.
Okay, I'll just look at what the.
Very well.
the matter is.
Minutes with.
Great.
First on board.
2 days it will be.
Mr. Gupta is stating us about the Civil Service Commission. He has some difficulty in the first week of September.
All right.
Minutes
And we
with your
give
lord.
some fixed date, my lord, so that we can be ready.
By lunch or maybe by 4 o'clock.
Anyway, your lordship's convenience.
The reason I'm not announcing a date right away is I want to see what are the other matters listed on those dates, so that then you know that this is a clear date.
Lordship.
Minutes with you.
Could you just tell me?
That we can internally do that.
They are new matters.
Talk to the nodal council, they'll make sure that the 2 young juniors will make sure that all.
Asta, you can speak to Asta.
And one more thing, authorities, Asta, make sure that authorities are all in one compilation. Otherwise, what we find is authorities of one lawyer in their compilation, another lawyer's
Lordship, we
compilation.
have created 8.
There's a common compilation has been filed.
Common compilation.
We have filed a common compilation.
Otherwise, in Tola, this is the problem which we are having. You have to constantly switch between different lawyers' compilation.
Lordships, they've done a good job. They've put the statutes in one volume, they've put orders in another. It's
Minutes with
very
you.
well done.
There is a common compilation. We have filed 8 volumes of common compilation, so there's no question.
Your Lordships, may I mention one more matter? This is that vulnerable witness matter. It was to come up yesterday, Your Lordships, and the Commission's mandate was till 31st of July. It may not need any listing, Your Lordships.
All right.
Which you
It may not
which you-
need any
Grateful.
listing.
Yeah, it is on the list. It will not be deleted. We have to formally extend the remit of the commission.
Yes, Your Lordships.
Which Your Lordships-
6 more months are
Which
needed.
which
to
your lordships
complete
kindly,
us.
millets, Uttar Pradesh service track. Mails were sent twice, and last week it was mentioned they're superannuating millets.
Age of retirement has been reduced. How can we grant interim order?
No
We'll
millets.
consider the matter.
It could be taken up millets, otherwise they are superannuating this.
Retired. I mean, what do you do? These are part of service.
Millets, it's been arbitrarily reduced and they have to demit the office millets.
We will hear the matter.
It's virtually come to 1.5 years from 5 years.
We hear the matter.
Any other, we have sent the mail also, millets, any date as my lordships could have it.
But would you all, would,
All right, West Bengal now completely over. The lawyers from West Bengal, the West Bengal matter is not MPs.
That in West Bengal matter, my lord,
Just 2 or 3 days.
All right. Noted that. The time for filing the written submission on the West Bengal group of matters is extended until next Monday.
Lordship has not issued notice consciously in matters which are related to existed candidate. So, Lordship, we are.
Absolutely, I remember that.
Yes.
We therefore, wait-listed candidates, we have only tagged those matters that.
Directly affected.
Yes.
Well, let's see if I'm forgiven, not to be deleted, but UP matter, not to be deleted.
Lords, there is a fresh matter today. Would your lordships be taking up, or my lord,
What's the matter?
item 3, my lord, it's a taxation matter.
I appear in 3 minutes.
Can we keep that on Friday? So that
Friday, Monday, my lord.
3 will not take long, my lords.
Monday, my lords.
We want to start Tola actually because we are in the midst of that.
It might take some time, not on my side.
Letter notice would have to be issued because there are 2 assessment years in which the coordinate bench of the High Court has already granted stay. So we are.
We'll assist your lordships either Friday or preferably Monday.
Friday or Monday, we'll take
Well,
it.
it's either day. Either day is
Take it
fine.
up on Monday, so
Very
he was asking for Monday.
Because will they accept notice? Because this has to be, well, there
No,
are,
my lord, I'm here, my lord. Why notice? I'm on caveat.
He's here.
there is 2 identical
But
matters.
you will just take it up on Monday.
Very well.
Right.
I am talking, my lord, once again, West Bengal matter pertains to the product by process, which is a judgment on that issue, which was the first of its kind in the country. All that you are requesting on any Tuesday, if your lordships could consider taking up that, it's an important issue, my lords. Item 8, product by process.
Today may be difficult.
No, my lords, today I know your lordships are the whole day going to be occupied with this. May I, my lords,
You know,
may I have my lords kind leave, my lord? Again, my lord, to trouble your ship with question. My lords, in
give dates right away in the afternoon.
4 and 7.
My lords, in 7.1 is the Sharad Pawar one. 7 is the Shiv Sena one.
Yes,
Now, my lord, no, all I'm saying is on 29th of July, your lordships in the NCB matter said 4 weeks returnable notice. So just please keep that in mind. On 29th of July, your lordships.
Not really dependent on the-
Please, my lords.
The Shiv Sena, the papers are all complete.
Right.
NCP, the papers are-
Only reason I'm saying is because they're tagged along, there's a returnable notice of 4 weeks in that. Submissions have not been filed, the lordship normally appoints.
That will be done before the date, well, the idea is it will be done before the next date. We are not hearing it today.
Not yet being done, my lord.
All right, should we?
Please direct that.
Right
Please direct
now?
that. Yes, please direct that. Because your lordship is giving a date. Prior to the date, we'll complete all this.
So how much time, say about, in the NCP matter, how much time will you take?
2 weeks,
to
because
compile?
My lords, we'll need 3 weeks to file our reply in that, my lords.
Very well, 3 weeks. Call it in September, well, it's early
All
September.
right, we'll keep it.
Give an actual
we'll
date.
say 3 weeks. The NCP matter.
Yes.
Which is 7.1.
That's right. 7 and 7.1.
Right.
Shortest date for both required matters.
Then on the request of Mr. Neeraj Krishnan Paul, Learned Senior Counsel, time to file a counter is granted till, keep it, give them exactly 3 weeks to file a counter. In the meantime, who are the 2 nodal counsel? Tell us that.
Lordship just said, they're already there.
Chirag.
Counsel will mirror Mr. Chirag Shah in the Shiv Sena matter for us.
And Abhikal Pratap Singh in the.
Well, I just give it in.
I don't
We'll give it-
name
We'll give it to the court master.
Nodal counsel. and then the usual order for preparing a common compilation of documents. This should be done within a period of 2 weeks.
2 weeks, I'm obliged.
May I trouble you once
Submission can
again?
also be forwarded to the nodal council within the said period.
West Bengal matter is one difficult area to take the lordship.
11 and 12 both relate to physically challenged people. One is GST on prosthetics, that's item 11. And item 12 is on selection of blind and physically challenged people in the IPS. We want to say at least in non-combat posts, they can be accommodated. They are saying they can't be, whereas in CR, shortly we missed 3 rounds of selection, we have missed because of the pendency. The government is saying IPS, we will not select anybody who is physically challenged. But we have said there are a number of non-combat posts.
That will, this will have to
That
be
can be
heard.
kept next Tuesday as.
I'll give you a date in time.
May I mention an matter, my lord, in which the order is uploaded yesterday, my lord, in which there is a small typographical error. That error
Our order, whose
Yes,
order?
yes, my lord, the same bench order, my lord.
Give us the order.
Date is not properly mentioned, my lord. That date may be changed, that's all, my lord. The date of the impugn order, para 3, my lord. In the letter also, we have informed the other side. Para 3, my lord, may see kindly. We request the NCLT to complete the exercise by 31st August 2024. The NCLT shall dispose of the application on its own merits, uninfluenced by any observation made in the order dated, it's written 25th August 2023, whereas it should be, my lord, 5th October 2023, that is the impugned order, which your lordship had mentioned. So there is no order called 25th August 2023.
This date was mentioned, that's why we put it as.
No, my lord, the impugned order is 5th October, my lord. That
Who's for the other side? Who's for the other side?
we have informed the other side, my lord. They are also. Which matter?
Well, this is like one.
Order, my lord. That's why your lordship said that.
Only thing is that we wish the other side was here because then
We have informed the other side, my lord.
a little change in the order can make a very critical difference. Just get Mr. Sai Kumar at lunch. Or get him by 1 o'clock.
Okay, bye.
Let me pass in their presence, that there is no.
Sure, my lord.
My lord,
Deeply obliged.
could I please, my lord, mention a matter?
The date I don't recall.
Slight issue. Item 4, your lordship has dealt with, 2 and 4 your lordship dealt with. In 7, there are 2 matters. We are not seeking any time. Your lordship can't hear it today. Your lordship had said yesterday, 7 your lordship will take up very quickly. 7.1, these 2 weeks of.
Seven, the compilations are yet filed, my lord.
Said indicated on 7.
When are the compilations going to be filed?
Milord, everything is ready in 7. We file it today, Milord. Your lordship said indicated that it will be taken up tomorrow.
It's a common compilation. How can my learned friend without consulting?
1 second. When is the common compilation going to be filed? Because we don't want to go on with the matter unless you file.
That's right, my lord. That's
Even on mentioning, people argue so much.
Compilation non-filed. It's a
Who are the nodal council?
not yet the
That
point.
is not
Your
happened.
lordship, second, who are the nodal council?
No, that has not happened.
Don't answer my question. Who are the nodal council?
That's not yet indicated.
In 7, we have not indicated.
No, Milord.
But
But
we-
it was directed to be
I
listed.
just said that, you give the 2.
That is today indicated for the first time.
Yeah. So therefore, the compilations have to be prepared in 7.
Milord, we are ready to go on with it, Milord. We can do it within
One
2
needs
days.
to go on with it right now, but we have to have one common compilation. You don't have to write the
We can
judgment
do
at
it
the end.
within 1 day, Milord. We can do it.
You don't know what happens when you have 20 lawyers arguing matters and you have to deliver a judgment at the end of arguments. You don't know where to look for material. Therefore, we want one common compilation. We just said 2 minutes ago that let there be 2 nodal council.
Correct.
They mentioned the names of 2 council. We said give a slip to the court master. So that we can then have them prepare a common compilation. We have given 2 weeks time to prepare that common
Weeks would be
compilation.
too long, Milord, because the elections are due within a month. All I'm requesting is we can do that exercise within 2 days. There's no difficulty. We'll do that
We have
exercise.
no problem. You tell us when will the.
Kindly have it next week, Milord. Next week. Kindly have it next week.
Alright, common compilations will be prepared by the council, should we say within a period of 1 week from today?
We can do it within 3 days, Milord, by end of this week.
You can't dictate to the court what's the time.
I'm only requesting, Milord, we can do it by Friday. Kindly have it on next week.
Who are the council?
Kindly make
Right.
Mr. Sharma from our side. He's been formally notified yet.
Right.
And Mr.
Chirag Shah.
We have 40 respondents, Milord. On our side. But it should be for 2 weeks, at least the convenience compilation.
Council, you prepare your common compilation within a period of 1 week.
1 week may be a little difficult, but 2 weeks.
Let it be 2 weeks.
This kind of
No,
election
that-
there, Milord. They have to make a common compiled paper.
Right, instead of making the common compilation by Tuesday next, we'll give you time until Thursday next. So you get 10 days. We give you 2 more days. You
All right.
can prepare the common compilation by Thursday. That should be good enough.
With your permission.
And 7.1, the timeline will be 3 weeks of reply in 7.1.
First matter you've already.
7.1, man.
My lord, kindly have it immediately thereafter, my lord, after
Why
the.
don't you come and sit here
I'm
and
so-
tell the court master what dates you want? Ultimately, you see this is too much. You've seen the kind of pressure of work on the court's time. If you'd like to come and sit here, please come and sit here and sit for a day. I assure you will run for your life.
My lord, we see that every day, my lord. I'm sorry, but my lord, I'm only requesting if it's
Give
convenient.
us the convenient date possible.
That's right, we'll give the date after 2 weeks.
No, item 4, both of us are lordships. Sir, notice has not been issued. Can it come on 12th? It's an ambition.
Monday, Friday.
Fourth, item 4, should
Well,
have
as-
come on.
This is actually for final disclosure. Your lordship said, hold your hands for both sides.
Yeah, we're holding
That
hands.
matters. So therefore, it's really
Why
ready
then-
for
why
the
should we
argument.
notice in item
The other
4? You're all
readings
here.
and counters and rejoinders.
Now everything is ready.
Yes.
So it has to be, that's all.
No counter, nothing. Just, your lordship said we'll take it up straight away. So this pledging of securities.
Right, that's the Edelweiss matter.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
So it'll be on Tuesday only.
all right. Yeah, we'll keep.
No, I thought if it was Monday, we.
Today,
All right.
we have, unless we finish
Your
the
point
group
was-
of 700 matters, we can't make any progress in anything else in our board. And now that.
My commission
mentioned
mentioned matter, I'm seeking relief against demolition of a subject structure. It's the sole source of storage of water
When is
and
the
supply.
order passed?
30th of July. We filed, there's a diary number, it's a fresh matter, my lord.
Just send an email, I'll have it listed immediately.
Obliged.
Lordship,
sir, with your permission,
Lordship,
there's extreme urgency in my matter.
The jet matter, item 10.
Yes,
I think your lordships are
we have
busy.
said that we are listing.
No, I know, it's today. It's on the list today. I'm just saying because your lordships are busy. The lordships are
It will
busy.
most probably be, it will be, I've given dates for those matters which we can't take up today. It will be
Right.
probably 13th.
Very good. Very good.
Your lordships, with your permission, your lordships, there's extreme urgency here.
Graduate admission to Ames. Lordship can have it day after tomorrow because Friday is the last day of counseling. So it can be had day after tomorrow. Thursday, ma'am. Thursday.
My lord, may I just mention item number 2, my lord, 2 days listed. It's a West Bengal matter, my lord. I was in the waiting
One
list.
is over, sorry.
No, my lord, that is what I'm trying.
Sorry, I'm not hearing you. I'm in charge of my phone. I'll not hear you now. West Bengal is over.
Sir, I'm seeking a clarification, my lord.
I'll have to evict you from the
My
court.
lord, deeply yours.
I have only one request for West Bengal matter. Compilation is it
No,
complete?
sorry, West Bengal is over now.
Only,
Anybody who tries to argue West Bengal will be
no,
evicted.
no, I'm not arguing, not doing.
No, please.
The compilation is that complete.
Lordships, just,
Sorry, West Bengal, no further mentioning. We have done what we had to. Everybody was there when we passed the order.
So I have been
No
shouting
further.
to that Lordship.
Sorry,
Asked me
nothing.
to wait, I have been waiting.
Nothing. Nothing in West Bengal. You argue it when it reaches that.
Okay,
level.
wait.
lordships,
Lordships,
this is extreme
item
urgent.
16.
Sorry, my lord, I have filed an SLP, including the
12 PM, my lord.
Bombay High Court decision with respect to wearing the niqab, hijab in colleges. I have filed this, it's just that,
I know it's coming up. It's being listed. I've already given a date for that matter.
well, this is the Bombay High Court one.
That's right.
We have
So
our
you told me the matter. I remember because
Oh, very
tell
good.
me in the evening that these are the facts.
Yes, yes, my lord.
I've already directed it to be listed.
Very well. My lord,
I've given a date.
Day after, actually, my lords, our unit test, which is our internal exams, are starting. So,
Yes.
may
My lord, I'm in
My
item
lord, 16, my lords. My lords, may hear item 16, my lords.
My lord,
If my
my lord, I'm in item 15. It
Lords,
is
item
listed
number
on the
16,
top
my
of the,
lords.
will it be